attract the hip close to you. So once I go, look, I flex, I move my hip, boom, I break. This hand immediately goes there. Okay? And I always use the punch grip to prevent him to do any kind of grip on me. From here now, guys, all I need to do is to drag his arm to the side as I'm already going to the opposite side, look. And then I'm already there. Okay? From this situation here, look, the head stays in between the shoulder and the jaw. And there's a little debate on this that I'm going to go over in a second on how to do the better grip from here. This, that, or simply where it was. Okay, but we're going to go over that a little bit later. That's not the most important thing for now. So from this situation, guys, I will go over on the belt all the way to the hip. And then like I was telling you, it's amazing on how from this situation, I have the upper hand to everything. So I'm going to go over some details in here. When I get this, we're going to go over a lot of throws and takedowns that I have available here. Tons. We're going to go over a lot of sweeps and submissions that I have from here too. But we're also going to cover two of the things, which is pretty much from here, it's very hard for him to stop my guard pull to the closed guard. It's almost impossible. I'm controlling the hip. Even if you move away from me, look, I'm going to angle that. If I jump with my outside leg, which it can't stop, and then pretty much the other one goes, look, and I'm in a really weird angle for him already. If he goes on his knees here, he's done. If he keeps standing, I can do like Nino Chambry style, go to his back standing too. So that is something that is very safe to pull. And I really cannot see anything that he can do to prevent it. Okay? So this is one of the things. For him here to pull guard, I don't think I even need to show you guys. That is not a good spot for him to pull me to his guard. I will for sure get in a really good position here. 100%. So if I get that angle, guys, what I'm trying to show you is that I have a lot of options. Okay? So, over here again, maybe more important than the techniques I want to show now is how to set it up. Okay? So from the neutral grip, which side? Which side is the side? Flex and hold. Pivot, break. Don't go to the belt. That's a problem that a lot of people do. Trust me, I did that before. So, break, and here I am. Walk away towards the side of the arm. Walk away, boom. Here you are. Okay? The grip, we're going to talk about that a little bit later. And then, from this situation here now, like I said, the guard pull, like I said, sitting down. Sometimes people, even from here, people that like to pull to half guard, not me. I'll never do that, you know. But to pull half guard, some people like to pull close guard, some people like to put the hook flip guard, to De La Riva. Anything you want, it's available here. As long as you have the right angle. Okay? So, the first one we're going to show from all this is pretty much what I like to call the boy and girl detail. I don't know here in America. But in Brazil, if you really want to date a girl, you never go towards her and suffocate her. Call her, email her. Nah. You pretend that you don't care about her. Kind of move away from her. If you move away from her, she'll follow you. And that's exactly what I'm going to be doing now to do the first very easy technique from the belt and arm control, which is going to be a single leg with a switch grip control. So let's start from here already. So here I am. Lucas knows that this leg close to me is trouble. Everybody can see that by a lot of variations that I have. So he hides that leg. And I know that's going to happen. If from here I try to shoot, for example, from a single leg from far, look, it's going to be extremely hard for me to do anything effective. So I use the boy and girl detail. I want this leg. What do? I move away from it. and the leg will be there. Just like the girl that you pretend you don't want. So from here, don't go towards this leg because he's hiding it. Uh-oh, that's going to be really tough for me to do anything. So when the leg is out, I move away from it. Oh, thank you. The leg is there. Move away from the leg you want. And when the leg is coming close to you, you attack it. So the way that I want you guys to do is to step away, bring the person. Your knee will go on the side of the leg as you use your whole body to push the arm down. So I'm not doing this because he gets heavy on the leg. I'm using my body and I'm doing this. Look, the head stays on the outside, on the inside, I'm sorry, and the whole body brings the arm down. I'm by the knee area and I'm posting this leg in there. Please don't do the mistake of doing this. Because a good judo guy can always do a little ultimatum on you and get on top of you already with the knee and belly. So I'm always this way. That same body that brought the arm down offers to this one. And now I can switch my grip. I can hold on the sleeve or I can simply control in there. And now guys, with the head on the inside and the free hand with that angle, there's pretty much no defense for him. I can finish just by driving. Get in a position to pass the guard good. I can pretty much go over and block. I can block on the outside. I have a lot of options. So, 1, 2, break, drag. He hides the leg. Boy and girl detail. Move away from the leg you want. He puts it back, doesn't care. It's very, very backwards. I move away, move away, move away. The body drops. Oh, here I am. Very easily done.